desperation, Ojukwu mobilized a country boys brigade to raise morale by showing that a new generation was training to take its place at the front line.
Beloved in heaven, march on. March on, brave boys, now the victory is in sight. March on, young men. Fight on, brave boys, fight on. Heroes of our fatherland. Pursue the enemy, harass him, destroy the invader. Fight on, brave boys, fight on. Heroes of our fatherland. Pursue the enemy, harass him, destroy the invader. Invade. 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 March on, brave boys, now the victory is in sight. Invade. March on, young men. Invade. 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 Invade.
The war lasted nearly 3 years. No one knows for sure how many died. Estimates vary, between 100,000 and 2 million. No one knows for sure. 2 million died.
Fight on, brave boys, fight on. Heroes of our fatherland. Pursue the enemy, harass him, destroy the invader. March on, brave boys, now the victory is in sight.